I'm gonna find you and make you love me. I'm ready. I'm ready. What's up, guys? The boy Sonic coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm back, and I'm black. Obviously, that. Like, seriously. Who doesn't know that they're black? Just saying. Hope you guys enjoyed that wonderful gameplay a while ago. As you guys journey with me to enjoy my favorite game, which was The Last of Us. I really enjoyed it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll be loving it too. You know what I'm saying? Well, let's get right back into it, myself. It's game time again. Been a while. Need to get Stella, get her groove back again, cause you know what I'm saying? I'm ready. Hope you guys too already, you know what I'm saying? There's gonna be some gunshots up in the building, you know what I'm saying? Some guns gonna be blazing up in there, boy. Making sure everything is great. We are okay, yeah? We are all okay. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm scared. They're gonna whip my ass now. They're gonna kill me, Jilly. I'm dead now, bro. I'm
Team
so dead.
deathmatch.
Oh, you gonna block Rune now?
They've
really?
marked us.
Wow. Okay.
Mission is live, Mercs.
Oh my god. That's not even funny, bruh. I'll give you a wicked. Alright. Monsieur, stop playing with me.
Mesh mine available.
There's no profit in defeat. Fight!
No. And the word is no. Guys, I just start playing about this game. You get back in the vibes. Here we go.
Shut up.
Trigger fingers, you know what I'm saying?
We'll discuss that performance later.
Only kill like what, two person? Warm up, just trying to still get warm, guys. Trying to get warm. You know what I'm saying? Trying to warm up, still warming up, you know what I'm saying? Warm up for the match, man. I'm still warming up, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. Woo. Get a vibe, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, cool. This is where they're gonna play now, okay? Yeah.
You already know how this is gonna go down.
Let me use it still. Let's go. Trying to get back in the vibes, guys. In the bois. Alright, here we go.
Team deathmatch. Government troops, liquidate all hostiles. We pulled ahead.
Okay.
Hostile zero.
Attack deploy beacon granted.
Oh, shucks.
Ready to launch sensor.
Hostiles have taken out attack deploy beacon.
Boomer down. Eyes on enemy. Congrats on the promotion. Torque broken. Battery.
Damn. Guys, I'm still playing like I'm playing Last of Us. Oh my god.
Sensor going live.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be crazy, man. Still not warm up as yet, guys. What? Ridiculous. Nice.
Time to ruin stuff.
Friendly TAC deploy beacon offline.
Enemy down.
Enemy infantry killed.
No man. Left.
UAV available for tasking.
We're close. Make it official.
TACCOM, get me UAV eyes above.
In the turn, sensors are capture your objective. UAV energy.
Damn, seriously? Oh, that. Oh, is it? He ain't dead.
Bringing tactical online.
Hostile infantry wasted.
Damn.
Utilizing TAC deploy beacon.
Oh, we won.
Mission objective green
Ha
across the
ha
board.
ha 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 ha. That's a nice gun. Reminds me of, oh my god, that reminds me of a nice phone. Dead.
Kill.
2 for 1. Two for 1. Okay. Still trying to zone, guys. I ain't fully zoned as yet, but I'm trying, no? Know what I'm saying?
Only iron sharpens iron.
Yeah.
Team deathmatch. Special forces, you are cleared hot.
Marksman fire.
Oh my God!
We've taken the lead.
No man
What? Tico, you ain't dead yet.
Cessadot out.
Damn. I should have switched my shotgun. Wow. Guys, there's a sniper on the bridge. Good, sniper is down. What the hell?
Launching mine.
Disruptors up.
Enemy disruptor.
Wires clear.
Sniper.
Sniper in the church. We got one in the church, guys.
Controlling RCXD. Sensor going live.
No.
Damn.
Mesh mine out. Enemy down.
Deploy Hellstorm on my grid.
Yeah, my 876 wagwan. Yeah, they enough today, man. Yeah, rest up today, bro. No streaming today or tonight.
Mesh
Or rest
mines
day.
up.
Sensor dart away.
Tomorrow definitely my rest day.
Going down.
But I'll try to get back in the vibes, bro. What nigga you there? No, 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 no!
We've got this. Charlie Mike.
Try to get back in the vibe, you see what I'm saying?
RCXD deployed.
Launching mine. Battery kill.
Be advised, hostile attack deploy beacon active.
Activating disruptor.
Oh god, there's a lag. Nasty lag a while ago there. Oh god, that's a...
You make this look easy.
Who, me? Oh yeah man bro, me work hard, you know, bro. You know that. Yeah man. Right now 5k me I think and 10k right now, bro. Cause me I do road, is it to get my thing up. Is it? Yeah man. I put in the work, is it, bro? The whole heap of thing, not only just in the gaming alone, but on the stream alone, I should say. We go up on the streets, you know that, you know what I mean? So yeah man, well, put in the work, big brother, you know what I mean? But study up and drop in the whole heap of work, says it, bro. So everything with you, when are you gonna get Black Ops, bro? Or that's not your thing? Guys, remember to bang on that like button below and support Jamaican YouTuber. Whoop, hey. What's up, guys? Boys, Silence coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. So hold on, bro. You do the PSN giveaway as yet? Yo, wish me the dead or dog. For do that PSN giveaway, dog. You know, you what the dog? But dead.
About fucking time.
What I dead? I'll come take that. Well, listen to the Trinity. Oh,
Team deathmatch.
I'm ready.
Mercenaries, earn your cut.
Guys, been a while since I play Black Ops, since I took a break. I was playing.
Profit downgrade.
Yang apa me dah?
Threat neutralized.
Enemy UAV above.
Q stores open.
Oh, I mean, if you like that, do it then, bro. You know what I mean? Yo, enjoy yourself in the midst of you just streaming, you know? Cause I was gonna play a new game today, you know, but I say, you know what? I'll play some Black Ops here, man.
Ruin sight.
Okay, okay. Let's go. Oh shit,
Enemy
you go
UAV
kill me
above.
like that, bro. Oh. Go. If you're dead, don't get me now, come out. If you're dead, don't get my youth. Oh, the man not dead now. Nigga.
Net call. Hostile Hellstorm inbound.
Nigga, oh you ain't dead, bro. Hmm? Oh you ain't dead, bro. Alright.
Hostile attack chopper
I
inbound.
love
Enemy UAV above.
I love Black Ops, man. It's smooth. Oh shit, especially Black Ops. Oh! Ooh!
Supplies. First come, first served.
Yep. My youth.
Making my sense.
Shit, man. What do you? Yo, one more. What? Oh, look what? You should try the new link. What's new link, bro? What? Wait. Easy. What?
Don't let them take you down.
Oh, jeez. Oh man, no.
Move it.
Ooh, I did not see that. Guys, we have a ballistic shield and we got a grenade launcher. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Assault pack right here.
Like, where the hell he came from, bro? Oh shoot.
feeling buyer's remorse.
Oh, the new MK11. I like how they do the MK11 and make it look like Mortal Kombat 2. I think they fuse the two together. Because when I first saw it, I was like, hold on, they bring back Mortal Kombat 2 remastered. Like, yeah, but still, it have a thing about it still. Long time I not play it still. Yo, certain games I can't really play good still, you know, bro. Like, like Fortnite. Jesus, please, I hear a thing that. Like, I can't learn to get better at it, but it's frustrating, dog. Oh my god, that thing frustrating, bruh. That thing is so frustrating. You know which game is my favorite game? Look, I'm gonna go play it right now. I love Blackout. Me, love Blackout. Blackout bad dog. Blackout is sick dog. Me never na itch. Yo, if you want smooth gameplay, if you want a game that's smooth, Blackout, bro. Blackout is the smoothest battle royale game in the world. I can bet. Pug ain't smooth like it. Fortnite definitely ain't smooth like it. No other. Yo, this game is so smooth. Everything just runs so fluent and nice. Nobody itching in the air and so. Yo, proper. Know what I mean? Next game what I love to always, I tell you that I see you play it too, and it's Rainbow Six. I want that game. Now man, Fortnite some Matrix game, bro. Yo, what up, bro? Hey. Yo, I love this game, man. Took a break from it, but now I'm back. Last of Us. What the heck? I forget everything now. Oh.
Blackout.
Trying to remember all the buttons. Where we going, guys?
AO is hot. LZ is a free fire zone.
Alright, cool.
This is it. You are cleared to deploy.
Go on to Rivertown, boy. Alright, cool. Go, 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 go.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to indicated safe zone is advised.
Are you serious? No guns? Bruh. What the hell? What the hell? No guns. No guns. Feels so weird. Heard shots firing, guys. What the hell? I'm getting every other thing except gun. What the hell? smoke. I still ain't find no gun. Okay.
Supply drop inbound.
Don't tell me I'm stuck in the bathroom.
Come take this.
Guys, I think I'm stuck in. Oh,
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
yeah. Coyote, what are you doing? There's someone here. Who got the level ones? Oh yeah. Oh shucks. Same damn gun, bro. Alright, come. Oh, oh damn. Destroyed body plating. Damn. Alright, let's go, guys. Oh shucks. Oh, I'm coming. You doing, man?
There's supplies here.
Who said that? Anyone found any, even a level 1 body armor? That would be good. Anything right now.
Supplies.
Who said that?
Need them?
Purple? Yeah. Yeah, that would be good. Thanks. Let's go. Yo, Nathan, welcome. Welcome to live stream. Oh shucks. Let's move. Shield is coming. Storm is coming.
Be advised.
Yeah.
Further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Well, I found a Hades tactical if someone needs it. A med kit is here by me. Move. Oh damn. Yeah, he had on some. Yeah. Yeah, I was shooting him, but he had on like level 3 armor, bro. So that was crazy. Good going, team. Oh yeah, definitely like Blackout. Nathan, love Blackout. Blackout is the smoothest battle royale game out there right now. I haven't played a smooth running battle royale game since this. It's smooth. There's no itch. There's nothing. It just runs so smooth. I love it. That's why I love it so much. It's just whoosh, like the ocean. Like the ocean's like very smooth. You can actually breathe in this game. A bit Fortnite? Hell no. It's going to Fortnite to be like, oh shucks, I see a shadow, shoot it! So I just start back playing it, guys. So yeah, trying to get back in the zone, you know. Yo, what up? Dun. I don't know. Someone just choose. What up? I don't know. Just choose somewhere, bro. I have no idea.
Blackout.
Okay.
Mission clock is running. Go.
Hook up and head out. Lifter 1-1 moving on drop pad.
How far is this place? Okay. Fall a bit short to you guys, but I'm coming. I'm almost there. Oh my god. Where the hell did I go? It's a whole damn fence.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated safe zone.
There's an item here. You want this?
I just hit you once, bro. Okay. You know, I was just playing, right? uh, it's okay, bro. No, I'm not dead, bro. I'm not dead, bro. If this was in real life, you'd be done, cause I'm a military soldier. I'll take you down so fast. That was my fault, guys. I forgot that the friendly fire was off, so I hit him. I was like, okay, cool. He got pissed and killed me, so that was my fault. Ah. That was my fault. But anyway, guys, let's keep it positive. Let's go. Yo, yo, what up, bro? Yeah, I'm just here, bro. Me too.
Blackout.
Me too. No, you don't sound like a noob. Where are we going?
Eliminate all opposition.
Lancer 1-2 above mission area. Go, go, go!
Oh, okay. It's funny I died here. Yep, that's what I realized. Cool. Oh shucks, they got you.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to indicated safe zone is advised.
Wait. Yo, bro, come where I'm at. Where I'm at. That's where the enemy is. Yeah, you flank him from that side. I'm firing at him. Okay, I got him. Somebody firing at you, bro? Oh, yeah, we have one more. Damn, I'm down. They got me. But I got one for you, though, bro. I took revenge. Got the guy that killed you. Okay. Yo, these guys find body armor so fast. So fast. That was so fast. So 876, you still there, bro? You don't play like games that's called like Kingdom Hearts 3 and stuff like that? Or are you more like the co-op gameplay? Because I'm more like the PvE, you know. But the smart thing, I was gonna play a new game today and I was like, nah, give the PvE a little bit rest today. You know what I'm saying? I just need to get better at this game, man. This all I needs to do. Let's go, guys. Let our powers combine.
Blackout.
Let's go. No to violence, guys. Where are we going, guys? Where are we going? Fine, I'll choose somewhere then.
Drop mission is go.
Am I the only one here? Nah, bruh. What kind of damn solo game is this I'm playing? So I'm playing a quad, guys, and I'm playing it by myself. That ain't make no damn sense.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated safe zone. Sitrep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
I'm like the only person playing this game, guys. There is no quad. Oh, hi. Hello, baby dolly, me darling. Thank you very much, me love. Thank you. I never thought that I'm gonna reach there, yeah? Thank you, my love, yeah? We're very hard work, hard, you know? Oh, God. You never think Buddha make it. I mean, I make be a nice we go dead fast. Dogs. You remember when I blush? My favorite game is watching you sit. Yeah. What? My favorite game is watching you sit. You're tight. Sick. Watching you sick. You thought? Huh? But a beer man.
Supply drop inbound.
Oh my God. Still getting warm, guys. I know what I should have do. I should have just drop on the ground and wait till the other guy come in. Bam, 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 bam. Got two of them, but it was only me alone, guys. I don't know what happened. I chose squad, as in squads, and there wasn't any squad. What do you mean by that? My favorite game is watching you psych your thoughts. See, I chose squads. So what's up with you, baby doll? How the day been treating you so far, and ting? How things from your side? How your platform going on? How the streaming going on? How the game going on, girl? When we go play together, girl, when we go do collaborations, like Nicki Minaj and Cardi B's, when we go collaborate, girl. Yo, what up, bro? Now I was saying what up? Savage, what's up? What, Jake, when you stop playing Blackout? Where are we gonna go, guys? Firing range? Oh, Hydro?
Mission area is hot. Weapons free.
Okay, never been there before.
Lifter 1-1 now maneuvering on mission deployment path. Bail when ready.
Tell me when you guys ready to jump. Bruh. Hydra is really far, man. Yep. Wow. We have, I see 5 people. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god. We got 10. Eva, run towards that building. I'm to your left, bro. I'm coming. Oh my god, bodies be dropping so fast. Oh shucks. I got one on me.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to
I don't want
indicated
to
safe zone
die.
is advised.
Oh yes, he got me. I'm dead. I tried to run, guys. Oh. Tell my mom I love her, okay? Go buy that favorite McDonald's that I always love, okay? Buy Wendy's. I'm dead. Oh, why we go Hydro Dam? Hydro Dam looks crazy, bruh. Jeez. Hydro Dam looks so dangerous. I just... Why we go Hydro Dam? I don't know. Why the water go so far? Okay. Just start. Why the water go so far? Oh. We're going back in, guys. I'm ready. Gun sport. Can't believe I'm eating Wendy's not. I'm ready. This is a nice house, bro.
Blackout.
Where are we going? Okay.
Consider all contacts hostile.
Let our powers combine.
Hurricane 2-3 approaching drop zone. Bay doors open.
What the hell? No, everybody's a Jamaican. What the hell? Alright guys, so we have three alright, 3, 4 guys. We need to get weapons. Oh shucks. Yep.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to
Damn.
indicated safe zone.
Yeah, yeah, that was crazy, bro. I don't know how I died. Yeah, this game is crazy. Oh my god, good gameplay though, guys. Love the vibe and energy. Oh. Hey, typical Skull, what up? Welcome back to the live stream, bro. Welcome back. Welcome. That's so weird in English. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh yeah. Welcome. Oh yeah. Welcome back. Oh, wait, somebody, you've returned back. Or return back. I don't know. Maybe probably because in Jamaica, back mean turn back to. And okay. And when somebody say reverse back. What? That's weird. You can say reverse the car, not reverse back the car. It's weird, bruh. If I tell you that I love you, dun dun. If I tell you that I love you, tom tom. Hey, Davido. That track is a bad song, eh? From Africa, hey.
Blackout.
Blackout. You wanna go right here? Alright, cool.
Infiltrate, engage, and destroy.
We're established on station. You may drop when ready.
We're going in. Let our powers combine. Nope. Is there any gun here? Okay, I'll get one bird. I just got a burrito. Okay. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Shit. Yeah, baby.
Potential collapse detected. Advise relocation to indicated safe zone.
Where? Location, where? $345. That's true. Yeah, bro, I see them. Yeah. I see one in the building, northeast 55. That's if you want to engage. Guys, keep an eye out northeast 55.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Yeah, that's where the gas station is, yeah.
Supply drop inbound.
Alright, ready? Guys, ready to move? Oh, sorry. Work it out. Creek, where are you, bro? He's running. I don't blame him. He's the only one. Nope. North 15. Oh, shucks. Guys, we gotta move. The storm is coming.
Be advised. Further collapse expected. Relocate to safe zone.
Guys. Yeah, let's go.
Supply drop inbound. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Oh hell yeah. Need that. How do I get to the roof? Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. Where we going, bro? Alright. Here in a vehicle, guys. Backpack. Upstairs by me. Go. What's that? Where's that coming from?
Expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
Oh, bro, guys, sniper.
Net call. Supply drop incoming.
Where's the sniper? Oh, shooks. Be careful, bro.
Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Shoot. Bro, move back. Who died? Bros, come back. Creep. Where are you? Shit. Shook. Just got sniped. I got hit from southeast. Damn. Storm is killing us. We gotta move. Creek. Where are you? Where are you, bro? Oh, shucks. Trying to come and get you, bro. I got hit in the storm. Tried my best, guys. I think one of the problem is, guys, with the team a while ago. One guy went off by himself too much. I don't know why he took the bridge. Wrong place. If anything, I would have taken the side while they distract him. But I wasn't sure at the moment where the bullet was coming from, guys. That was one of the problems. Try to get the guy upstairs that died, but the guy downstairs went down, so I had to go back outside, get that guy. And by the time I was prepared to go outside, go back inside, God, the guy died. And then the third guy, I don't know what he was doing. This game you have to work as a team for it to work. What up? What?
Blackout.
Alright, here we go, guys. Where we going, guys? Rivertown. Alright.
AO is high.
Rivertown's gonna be crazy, but alright.
Griffin 4-3 pushing on drop zone. They do
Yeehaw! Oh my god, that's like, oh shucks, that was like 9. Go, 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 bro. Get some loot, quick, quick, quick. Oh shucks, I'm down. Yep. Yep. A guy with a gun landed right beside me. Whoa, that was fast, guys. I don't know why they would go Rivertown. Rivertown was like 11 person over by Rivertown alone. Oh my god, Rivertown was crazy. That didn't make no sense. I'm trying to find a gun. But buck up on the nigga with the gun already. Okay, so here we go. What up, what up? Oh yeah. Yeah, just here, bro. we go again. I have no idea. You guys choose. Yeah, me too. A lot of shots flying, bro.
Blackout.
Okay. Okay, asylum. Alright.
Training time's over. Go to work.
Lifting 1-1 established on drop zone. Mission time clock is live.
Asylum is far. Hope we make it. Yeah, I just landed. Alright, approaching mansion. What? I saw one person, but
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to indicated safe zone is advised. Net call. Supply drop incoming.
there's a backpack where I'm at. I'm orange.
Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
Ooh. Oh shucks. Oh shucks, we got zombies. By zombies? Yo, bro, you alright, Hydro? Yeah, that's what I was asking. Bruh. Where the hell are they? How many? One or two? Yeah, he killed me. Move, move. Got him, get him, get him. You got him? Good. Good, 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 good. Well, I died again. Alright, I'm switching back to multiplayer right now. I think I'm ready now to unlock some new weapons. You know my prestige, guys. I prestige. Just forgot, yeah? And get inside. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's go, man. Not got H no more, yeah? Oh god, I hate this place so much. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.
Torque reporting in.
What the hell? When did I even choose that guy?
Team deathmatch. Special forces, you are cleared hot. We're winning this. From behind. We've taken the lead. We're losing the fight.
Guys is all over the place.
Ready to deploy wire.
We've pulled ahead.
Listen, I know someone's there.
Wow.
We lost the advantage. We're winning this. Firing sensor dart.
Establish UAV operational.
What? What?
Threat neutralized.
Deploying RCXD.
Nice one, nice one.
Bagged him.
Sensor dart out.
Cluster grenade going out.
Strike team. Do it like we drilled it. Don't get complacent. Finish the mission. An enemy hacker is attempting to breach our systems.
Enemy down.
Oh damn, that was good.
RCX.
You make this look easy.
Verdugo. Damn.
Sensor dart away.
Woo. That gun's be blazing, dog. That gun be blazing. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Okay. Guys, remember to bang, bang, bang on that like button down below. Support your boy for sure, you know what I'm saying? Damn, they are leaving. I'm ready. Ha. Do you smell what the Rock is cooking? Y'all remember that from WWF? World Wrestling Federation before they changed it to World Wrestling Entertainment. Really? Really? Oh, my stage shooks. It's my place, bro.
You already know how this is gonna go down.
I'm trying to level up this gun. Oh shucks, everybody's in the crew, dog. Damn. Let's go.
Team deathmatch. Rack time's over. It's do or die.
Eyes up.
We're pulled ahead. We're losing the fight.
Really? I'm definitely switching back
We have the advantage.
to my old and faithful, bro. I'm playing. If I was using
Q stores open.
Hostile TAC deploy beacon online. We destroyed their TAC deploy beacon.
Hostile down.
move. Oh my god. Oh boy.
Request drone squadron close air support.
Yeah.
TACCOM, launch a UAV. Deploy care package on my beacon.
Assault pack right here.
Wow. Seriously.
Q stores open.
That's a kill.
Marking care package LZ.
Damn.
Victory's close. Reach out and take it.
Not my best round, guys. Oh, yeah. It's not even my real gun, bro. Really, really?
Wasted them medic.
Damn.
Never a doubt. Good job.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a break now. I've been playing for quite some while now. I was playing Last of Us before. I was playing Last of Us for 3 hours and some minutes, and now this has been 5 hours. So I'm gonna take a short break, guys, and just stretch my legs, and I will see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, so journey with your boy, and we're there. Alright, nothing can stop you, 'cause goddamn rock. See you soon.